I can't see you anymore. I can't.
He made you promise, didn't he?
And you know why we can't be together. Spider-Man will always have enemies.
You're gonna forget who I am. It's okay.